Spocket versus Shopify, which is better for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video we'll take a look at the most popular platforms for dropshipping. They both offer a wide range of different features to help us with our dropshipping business. However, there are also some key differences, so let's take a look at their features, unique features, pros, cons, and also let's take a look at their prices. And in the end of the video, I'll show you how to get best conditions to start with Spocket and Shopify. Make sure to watch this video till the very end. So basically, they have like common features such as of course, they offer a wide range of different products from the suppliers. Or Spocket offers suppliers in the US and Europe, and Shopify like all over the world. They also allow us to import products directly into our stores. Spocket offers a feature to import it to Shopify store, and Shopify helps us to create our own online store. Also, they provide us the opportunity to track our products, to fulfill orders, and also they provide marketing different sales tools. And what's interesting is that we can try to use them with a free trial, of course, and then we can just simply switch to paid plan. We'll discuss them a little bit later. Let's now talk about the unique features on Spocket. It definitely product sourcing. So Spocket makes it easy to find and import products from suppliers in the US and Europe. Also, they have like order fulfillment, so Spocket handles order fulfillment for you, and we don't have to worry about shipping and tracking orders. And about dropshipping, Spocket allows us to start a dropshipping business without having to hold any inventory. Basically, the same thing with Shopify. And Shopify has its own e-commerce platform. So Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that allows us to create our own online store, which is really important. So on Spocket, we can just simply connect our products to Shopify store, for example. And also they have like marketing and sales tools. So Shopify provides a range of marketing and sales tools to help you grow your business. And App Store, Shopify has a large app store where you can find apps to add additional functionality to your store, which is quite good. They have a lot of different apps inside. If we're going to talk about their prices, we can see that Spocket has 4 plans, and if you're going to buy early subscription, like 3 plans. And Shopify also has like 3 plans there. And you can get a free trial on both platforms if you are going to use my link in the description. I strongly recommend you to use this link, so you'll help my channel and also get the best conditions. And if we're going to talk about pros and cons for Spocket, it's definitely easy to use, wide range of products, order fulfillment services, but cons, limited number of suppliers and higher fees than on Shopify, for example. For Shopify, it's definitely comprehensive e-commerce platform, wide range of products and marketing and sales tools, but cons, more difficult to use than Spocket, and it has higher fees than Spocket. In conclusion, we can definitely say that Spocket is a good option for us who want to start a dropshipping business without having to hold any inventory. Shopify is a more comprehensive e-commerce platform that is better suited for businesses that want to create their own online store and sell a wide range of products. And which platform is right for you? If you're looking for an easy to use platform with a wide range of products and like good order fulfillment service, then Spocket is good option. And if you're looking for a more comprehensive e-commerce platform with marketing and sales tools, then Shopify is a better choice. You can find the links in the description, so use them. You'll help and support my channel. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.